If you enjoy making things look new, love working outdoors, and want to help people improve their properties, starting a power washing business could be perfect for you. Whether it's cleaning driveways, decks, or siding, power washing lets you use your skills to make a visible difference. Best of all, you can turn this passion into a successful business, doing what you enjoy every day. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start your power washing business. Let's begin by exploring the key benefits. First of all, starting a power washing business is beginner-friendly because it has low startup costs and doesn't require much technical skill. Many tasks can be learned quickly through online tutorials or practice. There is also a strong demand for power washing services from homes and businesses, helping newcomers build confidence and gain clients fast. This makes it an easy option for anyone wanting to start a business. Scalability is a key benefit of starting a power washing business because it allows you to grow your operations easily. As demand for your services increases, you can hire more workers, add more equipment, and take on larger jobs without a complete overhaul of your business. This flexibility enables you to adapt to market changes and expand into new areas, making it possible to increase your profits over time. With a solid foundation, a power washing business can grow from a one-person operation to a larger enterprise, maximizing your earning potential. Power washing businesses often enjoy high profit margins due to relatively low operating costs. The main expenses include equipment, cleaning solutions, and transportation, which are manageable compared to the revenue generated from services. Because power washing can command premium prices, especially for larger projects or specialized services, businesses can quickly recoup their initial investment and earn substantial profits. This financial advantage makes power washing an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to maximize their income while maintaining a straightforward service model. Recurring revenue is a significant advantage for a power washing business because many customers require regular cleaning services. Homeowners and businesses often need their properties washed yearly or seasonally to maintain their appearance and prevent damage. By offering maintenance contracts or service packages, you can secure ongoing work with established clients. This predictable income stream helps stabilize cash flow, making it easier to plan for growth and reinvest in the business. Regular clients also enhance customer loyalty, leading to referrals and further opportunities for revenue generation. While there are many advantages to starting a power washing business, it's also important to consider some of the potential challenges. Seasonality is a major drawback when starting a power washing business because demand fluctuates throughout the year. In colder regions, winter weather can make it difficult or even impossible to operate equipment, reducing job opportunities. Additionally, most clients prefer to have their properties cleaned during the warmer months, like spring and summer, leading to slow periods in the fall and winter. This irregular demand makes it challenging to maintain steady cash flow year-round. Power washing is a physically demanding business because it requires handling heavy equipment for extended periods and performing repetitive motions. Operators often need to stand, bend, or crouch while directing high-pressure water at surfaces, which can put strain on the body. Additionally, working outdoors in various weather conditions, sometimes in awkward or hard-to-reach areas, adds to the physical effort. Lifting and transporting equipment between job sites also contributes to the physical challenge, making this line of work tough on the body over time. Since the barriers to entry are low and the startup costs are minimal, many entrepreneurs enter the power washing market, leading to a crowded field. This can make it difficult for new businesses to stand out and attract clients, especially in areas where established companies already dominate. Additionally, some competitors may offer lower prices to win customers, putting pressure on new businesses to compete on cost while still trying to build a reputation. Now that we've covered the pros and cons of starting a power washing business, let's look at the essential things you'll need to get started. Having basic equipment is essential to starting a power washing business because it directly impacts the quality and efficiency of your services. A reliable power washer, along with necessary accessories like hoses, nozzles, and surface cleaners, enables you to tackle various cleaning tasks effectively. Proper equipment ensures you can handle different surfaces, such as driveways, decks, and siding, without damaging them. Additionally, investing in good equipment can improve your productivity, allowing you to complete jobs faster and take on more clients. Without the right tools, it would be challenging to deliver professional results and build a strong reputation in the industry. Safety equipment is crucial when starting a power washing business to protect yourself from potential hazards associated with high-pressure cleaning. Essential safety gear includes goggles to shield your eyes from debris, gloves to protect your hands from chemicals and abrasions, and sturdy footwear to prevent slips on wet surfaces. A respirator may also be necessary when working with harsh cleaning solutions or in poorly ventilated areas. Using safety equipment not only helps prevent injuries but also demonstrates professionalism to clients, enhancing your reputation. Transportation is an important consideration when starting a power washing business. While a truck or van is preferable for efficiently carrying equipment and supplies, you can begin with your personal vehicle. Using your car allows you to start your business with minimal upfront investment and makes it easier to gauge demand before committing to a larger vehicle. However, as your business grows and you take on more jobs, investing in a truck or van will provide more space for your equipment and allow for easier transport of larger items, making operations more efficient. Having covered the essential equipment and transportation needed to start a power washing business, it's important to now focus on the legal requirements to ensure your business operates smoothly. While you typically don't need a license to start a power washing business in the US, we strongly recommend legally registering your business. This not only helps protect you and your services, but also establishes credibility with clients. Be sure to check out our simple guide in the description of this video to learn how to register your business in each state. Once you've taken the steps to register your business, the next step is to create a website for it. IKOL is the perfect solution for power washing businesses. From online payments and bookings to client management and invoicing systems, IKOL provides everything you need to run a successful power washing operation online. Simply visit ikol.com and click Get Started. Select Service, search for power washing, choose the services you offer, and click Continue. Fill out the rest of the information, and your website will be ready to manage your clients in just a few minutes. Here's how your website will look. Your clients can easily book power washing services online, and all booking information will sync with your calendar, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional results instead of managing administrative tasks. Your clients can also request a quick quotation for selected services, making it easy for you to follow up and gather more details. You'll find this information readily accessible in your Leads tab. Most importantly, your AI-driven chat feature will save you hours by handling inquiries from potential clients and converting hesitant website visitors into informed customers. All of this comes at an affordable subscription, so you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to have a professional website for your power washing business. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn how to make the most of your IKOL website. Now that your website is up and running, let's explore some effective ways to promote your business. Local advertising is a great idea for promoting your power washing business because it targets potential customers in your immediate area who are most likely to need your services. By focusing on local markets, you can build strong relationships within your community and establish a reputation as a reliable service provider. Advertising in local newspapers, community bulletin boards, and social media groups allows you to reach residents who may not be aware of your business. Additionally, local ads can be more cost-effective than broader marketing campaigns, helping you maximize your budget while effectively attracting clients. Digital advertising is an effective way to promote your power washing business because it allows you to reach a larger audience quickly. Platforms like Google Ads and social media let you target specific demographics and locations, ensuring your ads are seen by potential customers actively searching for services. You can showcase your work with appealing visuals and customer testimonials, helping to build trust. Additionally, you can track metrics like clicks and conversions in real time, allowing you to refine your marketing strategy and maximize your budget. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your power washing business because it allows you to connect with potential customers in an engaging way. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram let you showcase your work through before and after photos and customer testimonials, building trust and attracting attention. You can share maintenance tips to position yourself as an expert and interact with your audience to foster community and encourage referrals. Additionally, targeted ads help you reach specific local audiences. Referrals are a powerful way to promote your power washing business because they come from satisfied customers who recommend your services. Happy clients are likely to share their positive experiences with friends and family, leading to new business at no extra marketing cost. You can encourage referrals by asking satisfied customers to spread the word or offering incentives, like discounts on future services. In conclusion, starting a power washing business is a fantastic opportunity to enter the world of entrepreneurship. It allows you to build something of your own while making a positive impact in your community. Embrace the journey ahead, and best of luck in your exciting new venture. IKOL, AI for Business.